We're talking about warehouse rack safety with Mark from Damotech. Mark, can you tell us about the DAMO BRACE?
Absolutely. So it's an adjustable repair solution that replaces damaged horizontal and diagonal upright braces by bolting itself into the upright.
Interesting. So why is it so popular?
Mostly because it could be stored on site, it could be installed by a customer's maintenance staff, and it costs a fraction of a new upright.
Okay, so I have several types of racks in my warehouse. Can I use the DAMO BRACE to repair them all? Like, for example, structural or cold form racks?
Absolutely. The great thing about our brace is that it's universal. So whether you have a structural upright or a cold formed or roll formed type of upright, our adjustable brace can do the trick.
Okay, and is it adjustable in length? Like, what are the minimum and maximum lengths?
So the minimum length is 24 inches and the maximum is 94. So clearly we have a very wide span to work with.
And can it be installed at any angle and any height?
Absolutely. So depending on the configuration of the upright, we're going to mimic that same configuration, and whatever the angle from that original style calls for, we'll do the same.
What's it made of?
It's made of hollow structural steel tubing.
Let's take a closer look. Can you explain the different parts of the DAMO BRACE and how it's installed?
Absolutely. So if we look at here, we have one installed as a diagonal. We have our support bracket, which bolts into the upright after we've removed the damaged component. And then we have our structural steel tubing that extends and is adjustable in length. And then we tie it back in with another bracket here to the back of the upright. So this is the basic configuration of our solution.
Has an engineer tested the adjustable brace?
Absolutely. One of the key things about Damotech is everything that we sell is tested and engineered and looked after by our engineering team. So the quick answer is yes, this is an engineered solution.
That's great. Is it possible to customize the color or to galvanize the product?
Absolutely. I would say the most common color is our Damotech orange. However, if there's a different color that's needed, we'll match it, and we can even galvanize your product if needed.
Can the product be installed when a brace is missing as well?
I would say if the original engineering design for that upright calls for a diagonal and we see an open panel on the upright, absolutely we could use our solution to close that panel with a diagonal brace and mimic what the original design was.
Will the installation be disruptive to my warehouse operations?
No, not at all. Really minimally. I mean, just the area that you're performing the repair in has to be cleared, but we're not having to remove pallets up and down on the upper beams. Really very little disruption to that particular location.
And once it's repaired, can my rack hold the same capacity?
Yes, because it's an engineered solution, we restore the load capacity of that position.
Is the DAMO BRACE guaranteed?
It is. It comes with a 10-year manufacturing defect warranty.
What if I have multiple facilities across the country? Can Damotech service them all?
Yes, we can. We have an extensive dealership network throughout North America, so we can send folks and deploy them as needed. And we have folks on the road all the time. So wherever your location is within North America, we can come in and take a look at what your problems are.
How much money would I be able to save by using the DAMO BRACE over, let's say, replacing an upright?
Great question. You know, I think it varies on the cost of the upright and the number of beam levels that you would have to remove to replace an entire upright. But what we're getting as feedback from our customers, it's on or around 80 to 85% savings by utilizing our adjustable brace solution versus replacing the entire upright.
Okay, Mark, one last question. Can you tell me why the DAMO BRACE is the best solution to repairing my damaged or missing braces?
Sure, I don't think you're going to find anything else on the market today that can as cost effectively and quickly replace a damaged brace component on an upright.
Interesting. So what's the best way to get in touch with Damotech?
I would say just navigate to damotech.com and request a quote or other information, and that is the best way to reach us.
Great. Thanks for your time, Mark.
Thank you.